Hi, I'm David Linger, Technical Manager for Technology and Automation for Epiroc, and today we're going to discuss how to locate the I/O modules and electrical boxes for troubleshooting on a PV270 series machine. Here we have box 6 and I/O module 510. These are located on the tower, and all the electrical functions for the tower pass through either this box or this I/O module. Power distribution module number 1 is located on the cab side of the tower support. I/O module 511 is located on the cab side of the tower support. And on this side, on the top, we have I/O module 515. On the bottom, we have the 512 I/O module. On the non-drill end on the cab side of the machine near the receiver tank, we have power distribution module number 3. And on the non-cab side of the machine near the hydraulic tank, we have power distribution module number 2. And on the non-cab side near the hydraulic tank, we also have the air regulation control box. And here we have the clutch control module, the compressor control module, and the electrical boards for connections. On the non-cab side of the machine near the hydraulic tank, we have I/O modules 513 and 514. On the left, we have 513, and on the right, we have 514. For more information, contact your local Epiroc service center or dealer.